Hey, Oji! Oji! Hey! Oji! Welcome. What a pleasant surprise!
You don't big finish, man. What's going on, man?
Everything is just good. This feels like a dream.
I know. I'm so sorry. My trip was impromptu. I wasn't even sure I was coming.
Oh, I don't even know how. I don't even know how I want to take feed like this now. Oji!
That's me, man.
So surreal.
You can ask grammar.
Nah,
That's good. Your school fees is not wasted.
Normal level now. Normal level. Welcome.
You don't big pass me, sir.
Oh God, Baba. Welcome.
Please, carry the other bag, sir.
Hey. Oh, mo wahala. Let this guy. I don't like this gate. You don't say you go lock the gate if you open them. Don't dey worry for head o. You open gate leave and comot. Oji. No, later now you. Oji.
Guy, I didn't expect it at all.
Ekene, what did you expect me to do? I love this girl so much. I love her legitimately. I couldn't stand to see things go bad and be over there. I had to come down to Nigeria to see things for myself.
It's so sudden, Sha. If you had told me, I've arranged some things for you to go give my people now.
Look, I'm not even in the mood to see anybody. Okay? As I speak to you, I'm even pitching in my younger brother's house. If she asks about me, in Kim, tell her I'm at work or I'm busy or something, okay? Please. Don't tell her I'm in Nigeria. Please.
Alright, no problem.
Alright. Thank you so much. I'll call you later.
Alright, my guy.
Yeah, bye.
Dami.
No.
Oji.
I have really missed your awesome cooking.
Hey.
You're a great cook.
Thank you. Oji. Enjoy yourself.
I'm enjoying it too. No, this is freshly hand-peeled egusi soup.
Yes, now.
Not like those stale ones they sell in America.
No. I understand. I can imagine. What do you expect? Someone who have stayed with his mom for how many years? I suppose not to cook now. Not for you. But how come I've not seen him here yet?
Oh. I don't want her to know I'm in Nigeria at the moment. Okay? I have some things I need to settle. But you see her.
Okay.
You see her.
No problem. No problem. Just enjoy your food.
I'm really enjoying this. I hope there's more.
Normal level, I suppose to do that. Should I get you fake for the meat?
No, don't worry. I'll use my hand.
This man, you see now, be foreign people now. We will not be foreign in Nigeria.
No, Nigeria for life.
Well, that means
this is a cock, mama.
Nah, a cow, my man.
Maybe I should call Ekene. Yes. Perhaps he might know what is going on. Yes. Hello, Ekene.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine. You?
I'm fine too.
Ekene, I have been calling Nato, but his number is not connecting.
At the moment, he's very busy on the field work. He said he will contact you later.
Who will it take Nito to call me? Even if it's just a few minutes or some seconds.
My dear, he doesn't pick my calls too. The work is time demanding.
He did not even tell me about the job before embarking on it. Bene, something is not adding up. Are you sure he's alright?
Of course he is fine. Don't worry. He will contact you soon. Okay?
I hope so. Because I am really worried.
You don't have to be dear. I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Thank you.
Is that not Nito?
He's the one, no. Hey.
I have to hide so he doesn't see me. If he sees me, he might figure out that I'm responsible for sending the picture. Isn't Kemi even aware that he's in Nigeria? I need to ask her.
Okay. Don't tell me you locked yourself up all day. Nito hasn't called. He hasn't. Oh.
It's okay. I think he's just busy with something.
It's unlike him. I'm scared. I don't want anything to happen to him. I can't afford to lose Nito.
Be negative. Nothing will happen to him. You called his friend and he said Nito is busy with a job, right? Just relax. Okay? I'm sure he will call.
You think so?
I know so. Yeah, come. It's okay. Just come. Come. It's okay. Sorry. He will call. So, I think the guy got the picture we sent to him and he came back to monitor her.
You don't say. For real?
Now we need to prove to him beyond doubt that that girl is a wayward girl.
But how? better I don't show myself till I'm sure beyond doubt. If I show myself now, they will give me flimsy excuses. Then start being careful.
I heard the entrance door open. Did someone visit?
No, it was me. I went out and then came back in.
Oh, okay. Please, I need your charger. I'll just get it from your room.
Yes, no, wait! I don't even know exactly where I dropped it. I don't know if I dropped it.
My own.
I think I dropped it. I don't think it's in my room. No. I dropped it. Okay. Just hold on, let me check if it's there.
Okay, I don't know, my own just became faulty, please. I really need it.
Kevin, wake up. Wake up. See, come so you can leave.
Leave?
Yes, now. Nkem will soon wake up, I beg. If you see time. Oh, yeah.
Listen now, you know I slept late now. Eh? After enough banging last night, I was giving you left, right, and center. Eh? Allow me to sleep.
We are saying the same thing. When you get to your house now, you sleep. It's not as if you're going to work. Eh? It's not yahoo, you take.
Hey. Point of correction. I'm not doing any yahoo. E-commerce. I deal on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, gift card, and everything. That's what I deal
Kelvin, I've heard. Just wear your clothes and be going, please.
Okay, let me just sleep small.
You cannot sleep small. This girl will soon wake up. Do you want to scatter our plans? Oh yeah. Fast.
Can we at least rush one?
You rush which one? Get up.
Bro.
Namdi.
I've been worried ever since last night. Are you okay?
Honestly, if I tell you that I'm okay, I'm a big liar. But it's not something I can't handle. Yeah.
Perhaps you can share it with me.
When the time is right, I will. To avoid false accusation.
Okay, if you say so. You know OG now. You know how to handle your matter.
You know.
But wait, why are you eating peanut?
I'm just feeling peckish.
Nah, babe. Show me peckish. I hear you. Calm down, babe. Make abacha for you.
Abacha? Wow. I think I should go get palm wine for collabo.
You know OG. You know the way. You know the way. How come the one I going to eat peanuts? Wow, what I do for this house?
When I make abacha.
Mama level.
It seems she doesn't come out too often.
How now? Namdi, I'm not fine. Have you heard from Nito this week?
No, I haven't.
Are you sure? You sound like you're lying.
I'm sure. I haven't heard from him.
Hey.
No problem.
Okay, please, Namdi, if you hear from him, just tell him I am worried sick. He should contact me, please. Okay?
Okay, I will do just that. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
What's up, Namdi?
I'm good. But okay.
Okay, what about her?
She called to ask if I've heard from you. I told her no.
I see.
See, Oji. I felt very bad lying to her. She doesn't deserve this. At least she call her own normal call now. Normal WhatsApp call. Yes. I know she will know you're in Nigeria.
It's okay, it's alright. I will think about it, okay? I'll think about it.
I beg. Try call her, I beg. She doesn't deserve all this. Let her know. Is
she really missing me? Does she really love me? I hope she's not being set up by an enemy. I just hope I'm not making the wrong move. But if she is wrong and she's trying to play me, God will expose her in Jesus' name. God will expose her.
Please. Once he leaves, you have to leave. It's too risky you sleeping here. Because if Kim finds out, that's the end for us. Especially me. Huh?
It's alright. I understand.
Okay.
But you have to give me 1 mouth.
Which one is 1 mouth now? Why do you like this?
I'm going to do this thing sharp. Give me quickie now.
Okay, no problem. Quick you. Just quick you. Nothing wrong. Wait.
This is too scary.
How dare you?
How dare me?
How dare you? How dare you?
Ow! Easy. You get just dislocated. Ah, shit. Ah! Easy, please. Ah, that guy almost killed me, man.
So you're not ashamed to say your fellow man almost killed you? You almost killed me, man.
What are you talking? Wait, what are you talking about? You know the kind of skills that guy have? Eh? That guy is not normal, man. There's something about him. I think he has this, special skills for boxing, taekwondo, martial arts, all those, Jean kind of thing. I was trying to give him now.
Now what happened?
Ah, man, the guy punched
You're trying
bad.
to give him. You don't know, he beat you. You two, you punch his mouth or punch his eye. Damage something. It's not be running your mouth up and down. He nearly killed me.
It's not like I was just standing. Easy. How did you think I had this injury? I was trying to give him back. That's how I just got that. Easy. My major problem now is that this is my mouth now. I'll not be able to use to kiss, suck, or even lick.
Let me do it now.
Easy.
Brother? Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Namdi.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
But I don't understand. What is happening? Can't you just put me through?
Namdi, I said I am fine. Okay? I just want to be alone. Just leave me alone. I just want to be left alone.
You just want to be left alone?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Brother? Okay, if you say so, I'll allow you be.
Some things don't just add up. Something is wrong.
Oh, hi!
Oh my God, you look good!
Wow, you look so good!
Look at you!
Finally!
Wow, nice to meet you.
Same here.
Sit down.
Oh, where's gift?
She's upstairs, she's dressing up.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow,
See.
Neto! Almighty Neto!
Here
Neto is back! Oh.
Whoa.
Neto, Kim has been so sick. She has been worried because she has not heard from you. She hardly goes out anymore. She doesn't visit us anymore. She has always been indoors.
I know. But I hope you kept your promise that you won't tell her I'm in Nigeria.
Of course I did. I even told Gift to not say anything to her. She'll keep to her promise.
Oh wow!
Welcome, Mr. Nathan!
You all look so amazing!
Please stop!
I mean, pictures don't do justice anymore.
Same you!
Wow!
Welcome back to Nigeria.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oh, my bad. I didn't offer you anything. We have Andre, we have Baileys, we have more. What do you want?
All kinds of drink.
Wow.
We have all kinds of drink here.
So tempted. But probably on my second visit.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, that reminds me. 2 weeks ago, some strange number sent me this photo.
Kim and Kelvin.
You know him?
Yes. My ex. How?
Please let me see. This is unbelievable. If this is true, then nobody should be trusted.
Yes, but I don't believe this. I think it's Photoshop.
No, I talked to a friend about this, someone who is into stuff like this, and he said it isn't photoshopped.
But when I was dating Kelvin, he asked Nkem out. Nkem did not accept. So how come is now that she's in love with you? I can't believe this. I cannot. This is a setup.
If it's a setup, then who's behind this? That guy visits the house. Maybe she's unaware, but if she's unaware, that means someone is behind it. I hope she's not so stupid to let Chika back in her life.
Yeah. But did she get another monstrous friend?
She never mentioned it.
I can't believe this.
This is so strange.
Kelvin, your ex, and Nkem.
Something is fishing.
It's so hot. I mean that.
I swear.
That cold water. Oh, shampoo.
Can you help me now, please?
I've told him to call you.
How did you contact him? Please, just give me the number you used to get to him.
Actually, it was the one that contacted me, and the number was not shown.
Hey. I hope he's okay. I hope nothing has happened to him and you're just hiding it from me.
Oh, no, he's fine. Don't worry. I'll make sure he calls you soonest, okay?
Please, I beg you, please too.
Okay, no problem. Have a great day.
You too.
Can they help her?
I'm fine, man. How are you?
Man, I do. I'm good.
Income will stop disturbing me. Guy, call her now.
She's still calling you? Okay. I'll call her, okay?
How far were your investigations?
I'm still on it, man. I haven't found any concrete proof. But I just hope it's not true.
Yeah, man. Same here, man. But what if it's true? What would you do?
I don't know, man. I love that girl so much. I don't know.
I know you do, but you need to get prepared to avoid being taken unaware.
Sure, I know. Call you later. If Nkem still calls the Kenny, that means my suspicion may be right. The guy never told her I attacked him, which means she may not even be aware he comes to her place.
Listen, I am going to tell her that I saw Neto in Nigeria assaulting a guy and accusing the guy of sleeping with her.
Is this necessary?
Yes, now. As he assaulted you, you are expected to tell her. Listen, this Neto guy is smart, and we'll have to play smart too.
You see, the truth is, I am tired. I mean, I'm tired of all this game. The game no dey favor me now. What am I gaining? Come on to touch self person no dey touch. The last time you took pictures of us, you did not even allow me touch. So waiting at the game. Huh?
Kelvin. And you will still lie that you never made advances at her. Am I not enough for you?
No, I did not make any advances at her.
See, my mates are having faithful and responsible boyfriends out there, and here I'm stuck.
Hey, keep quiet there. Hold on there. What is wrong with you? You're having faithful and... Don't you know that there are some good women that love bad guys like me? And they will do anything Just to be stuck with people like me. What is wrong with you? See the way you're even acting like you're innocent. You think I don't know? You think I don't know that you tried to snatch Nettie away from that innocent?
I did not snatch anybody. I was being accused.
Ah, see what you are saying. You know, when I look at you, I ask myself, which kind of man will marry you? Yes! Don't just even try to badmouth me. If you try it, I will analyze your full life for you. Come on, stop that rubbish.
Kelvin, you know what? I think it's time we ended this relationship because I don't even know what I'm doing with you.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, end it. Can you even end it now? No, end it now! End it and see for yourself. 2 seconds, everywhere bursts. Girls will fool my body, bala. What are you saying? You, if I end it with you, you will not see any man. Not be you again, with your bad character, smelling attitude. You don't even have any character now. Come on, stop that rubbish.
Kevin, are you talking to me?
I will do more than this. Listen, if you try this rubbish again, if you talk to me anyhow, I will not only end this relationship, I will go to Network and came and tell them everything. What is wrong with you?
Why do you even like behaving like this? I was just joking now. I didn't mean it. I was just joking with you so someone cannot play with you again. Yeah, come now, baby. Tell me, how do you want it? Quickie. I know you like quickie. Tell me, what do you want?
Rub my nipple.
I should rub your nipple. Baby.
Tighter.
So it's tighter.
Squeeze it.
Like this. Baby.
Stay there.
Like this. Like this.
Squeeze it.
Now, wow. You will just lie down all day. You don't get tired. Huh?
I feel depressed.
Why? Because of Neto. Yo, you idolize this guy, you. Well, it's not like it's a bad thing. I think he's worth it.
Yes, he is. I haven't seen him before, but I feel like I have known him all my life.
That's so sweet. Hey, something happened though. I met a friend of mine and he said that a guy called Neto attacked him. I said, Neto? He said, yes. So, just to be sure, I said, okay, let me show him Neto's picture. And I showed him. And he said that that is the exact guy that attacked him.
No. That's not possible.
I was wondering.
There's no way Neto will come to Nigeria and I won't be aware. No.
Same thing I thought too. But if you talk to maybe his friend or probably he finally calls or I don't know, you just ask just to be sure. Because the guy said that is the same guy that attacked him and I said I was going to tell you. I don't know if he's now his double ganger or somebody that looks like him. I don't know.
Come to Nigeria. I won't be aware. You won't still. No. No, it's not him.
In case anybody calls you, ask.
I think I should call her on WhatsApp. At least, it will still show my international number. She wouldn't know I'm in Nigeria. I'll call her.
My love, what happened?
I'm so sorry I was on a job and I couldn't communicate.
But you were communicating with Ekene.
I know. I'm sorry I put you through all of this.
I was really worried and scared.
It's okay, baby. I'm here now.
Okay, yes. Someone said you beat him up here in Nigeria and I was...
Wait. What did you just say?
I said someone said you beat him up.
So,
It's true.
so it's true.
Goodbye.
Wait. Hello? Obi. What just happened? Goodbye, and you just hung up. Even gone. What's going on? What happened? It's not connecting.
She knows. She knows about this guy. She knows. She knows that I hate this guy, and she has the audacity to tell me about it.
Hello, Metu.
Lucy, Nkem knows. She knows I fought the guy. She knows about the guy.
What? Are you sure?
I just called her on WhatsApp. And then she told me about the guy that claimed I beat him up in Nigeria.
Oh my God. Something is wrong somewhere.
Nothing is absolutely wrong. Look, I'm done. And I'm leaving next tomorrow. It's over.
Neto, please, don't act in a hurry, please. Okay, calm down. Please.
Look, I'll call you in 10 minutes. Okay, I have...
Alright, please call me back. Take it easy, okay?
Hi, beautiful.
Hi. Can I help you?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So, how may I be of help?
Okay, maybe we'll start from you giving me your number. Okay. Maybe, just maybe we go out on a date. How about that?
I am really sorry, but I am in a serious relationship.
Oh, thankfully you didn't say you are engaged or married. Fine, I'm okay with that.
Well, eventually it will lead to that. And nothing on earth will make me consider another man. So don't even bother yourself.
Okay, what about... what if this particular young man you talk about finally disappoints you? At least you are walking out on love. You just walked out on love.
Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. Worship and magnify you, Jesus. Yeah, hello.
Hello, beautiful.
Please, who is this?
It's me, Karen. Remember?
How did you get my number?
Come on. When a real man wants something, he goes the extra mile.
Listen up, Mr. Real-Man.
I'm listening.
If you are one of those men that think that any girl they want, they must get, well, sorry to burst your bubble. I am a different girl. Respect yourself and let me be.
Hello. Hi, baby.
You again?
Yes, me again. I got you something. I got you a new car.
Did I tell you I need a car? I have one already, and even if I don't, I do not need your car.
Of course I know you have one, but I got you something bigger, something more classy, something even bigger than this one.
I am not interested. Leave me alone.
Come on. Wait.
You can pick your corner.
I am not interested in picking.
Intruder. Seems some people have been getting other chaikas.
Chika, please, I want to concentrate on this movie.
Okay. Is he a good chaika? You know now. Huh? Is he? See, since you don't want him, just dribble him to me now if you don't want. If he's good, oh.
You can have his number. I'm not interested. I am more concerned with Neto's matter. I don't know why he's acting strangely.
Neto. That one, Neto. See, girl, try another person now if he's misbehaving. Huh? Face will face you now.
Advisor General, I have heard you, but I am not interested.
Hello, Kim. How are you?
What is it? Have I not warned you to stay away from me?
Come on, I was just going to say... Hi.
I would love to help, handsome.
Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Chika.
Okay. I was...
Wouldn't you ask me to come inside your car?
What for?
Come on. Listen, I am better than that loose and stupid girl called Unwelcome. How can you be chasing her when I'm here?
She's loose and stupid?
Of course she is. Now tell me, how do you think she manages to take care of that house and that car? Does she walk?
Interesting. Can I get your number so I could give you a call?
Now you're talking. Okay, you give me yours or...
Alright, let me give you mine so you call me. Okay. 08066 0962 and 11.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm calling you, so make sure you return the call.
Of course I will.
Okay?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Babe, guess what? He collected my number.
Better, so that he will leave me alone.
Why are you calling?
Nato's friend. He's no longer picking my calls. And I have sent lots of messages to Nato. He comes online, but he doesn't respond to the messages.
Well, just keep trying. Good luck.
See you.
women. Imagine how her so-called friend murdered her character. When will women ever learn to respect friendship and trust? And she thinks I would want her. Well, it is only a stupid man that would want a woman who backstabs others. Let me call her and hear more.
Hello, Prince Charming.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, you were saying something about your friend.
Mostly talk about her. She's not important. Let's talk about me.
I want to hear more about her, if you don't mind.
Okay. Well, that girl is a whore. Yes. Some guy abroad trusted her. And I don't really know, but the truth is that she sleeps around with everybody. The guy trusted her so much until he found out that she was sleeping with her best friend's boyfriend. And there was this picture of the two of them in bed, and that was the end of the relationship. Currently, she just sleeps with anybody as far as you're a man and you're ready to get down. That's it.
I see. So, if she sleeps with everything on trouser, as you said, how come she refused all the advances I made towards her? Do you know I even bought her an expensive car, yet she said no?
Well, that's her antics to be deceiving gullible men like you. I don't know how to say it, but you be thinking this girl is a good girl, but when she would just play you, you start trusting her, thinking she's a good girl and she's a wife material. But you would know it's people like me that are close to her that know that part of her.
Yeah. So, how did you know someone sent a picture of her and a friend's boyfriend in bed to her boyfriend? Did she tell you?
Yes, she told me the guy doesn't call her anymore.
I see. I'll call you back later. Okay?
Okay. Just imagine this guy. He didn't even talk about me. Wait though. Did this guy say he offered her a car? How come this girl is the only person that gets all the juicy men? She has not said what she's doing. That girl must be doing jazz. Father a car. And me is all these chewing gum boys that the only thing they know how to send is recharge card. Asking you, have you eaten?
Women. What does she stand again?
Why is she doing this?
Will you kill that stupid love of yours? Kill it! How many times will I tell you I am madly in love with someone else? And nothing you will do will make me change my mind.
Not even the duplex I got for you. I just got you a new house. All I need you to do is follow me to the house and I'll hand over the keys to you. I'm ready to wait for you until the time you fall out of love with him. I'll get back.
Are you insane? Are you insane? Can you listen to yourself right now? Look, Mr. Man, I need you to leave me alone. Else I'll get an injunction against you.
Is that your final answer? Listen, okay, see, I am going to walk away, and I promise if I walk away, you won't see me ever again. I love you.
But you will do me a big favor if you walk away and never return.
What about the house? I just said I got you a new house.
You can now put call to okay.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Just hold on. You're right. Hope he's connected. Yes. Hi, girl.
Lucy, hi.
How you doing? It's been a long time. Where have you been?
I'm really sorry. This whole NATO matter has put me off the mood to go anywhere. If I'm not going out to jog or to buy something, I don't feel motivated to go.
Believe me, Nkem, you need us around to keep you company. Or has someone else been keeping you busy? Oh, because I know how close we were then.
No, Gifty. No. No one actually.
We hear they said if Mohammed refuses to visit the mountain will visit Mohammed. So we are coming to visit you tomorrow. We are coming. Please keep better delicacy for us. So I don't want to hear any story.
That's not a problem. I'll be waiting for you girls.
So see you tomorrow. See you. Keep it up for ourselves. Kiss. Bye.
Bye. Lucy and Gifty are coming here tomorrow. That means Chika can't be here. They'll be so disappointed I took her in again.
Morning, Chika. Good morning. How was your night? It was fine. And yours? Great.
Well, I have a favor to ask.
What is it?
Lucy and Gift are coming over today.
How is that my business?
Can you please step out? I haven't told them we have reconciled yet.
You knew me before Lucy and Gift. So why should I be the person hiding from them?
No, you're not hiding. It's just that I don't want them to feel like I have kept things from them. You know, they've been really nice to me.
Okay. I'm going out today anyway.
Oh, perfect. Well, thanks so much for understanding.
It's nothing.
Okay, I'll just go fix breakfast.
Please do.
Don't worry, your 5-star Chinese chef is here. Alright.
Idiots. Just look at her. You stole my friends. People that I introduced to you. Now you're telling me they are coming to the house, so I have to leave. Don't worry. I will deal with you. I will deal with you.
You ready?
You're back to the kitchen again.
I am. I have to prepare something for Lucy and gift.
Oh, okay.
You know, I'll keep some food for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. See you later.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Your house is always been so beautiful.
Thank you. Have a seat.
Come on, girl. You've lost some weight.
Honestly.
Yes.
Blame it on Nito.
Neto, do not worry. Neto will call you soon, by the grace of God. Okay?
I really pray so.
He will.
He's my life.
I know.
I can't imagine living without him.
Don't worry. Okay?
I smell something delicious. Are you cooking or have you cooked already?
Why wouldn't you smell something delicious? Foodie like you.
She likes food.
Whatever.
Food. But she cannot cook. She won't cook. You know that. You know, girl. That reminds me. Have you seen Chika recently?
There's something on the fire. I really need to check it right now.
Oh,
yeah, you guys should just
is it ready?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, is it ready?
Food is ready.
You don't leave it for me. Now you're adding.
Your food is really nice, you know.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Okay. I must confess, you're a terrific cook.
I swear.
I think you should just open a fast food joint. Yes.
Well, I have that in mind. But with this whole noodles thing, I don't even know where to start. I don't understand what his problem is.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? Have you seen that idiot? What do I call him? Kelvin.
Kelvin?
Yes?
No. What business does light and darkness have?
Oh, you're right. That guy was a complete mistake.
A complete one. Useless fed.
Very. Love.
What's that for?
She now has a new boyfriend. Yes. When they are talking on the phone like this, my dear, she will be blushing. Hey! With a romantic voice, up and down. But my problem is, I wonder why she's always rushing outside to answer the guy's calls.
Anyways, love is a good thing and I'm really happy for her.
Same here.
I can't wait for the lucky man that will have you. You're such a nice person.
You can say that again. But, seems I'm liking someone and he likes me too. But for now, we are working on a project. Yes. So no time for love.
Projects?
Oh yeah?
What project?
Walk. Yes. Walk. Just walk.
There is a room. It seems a girl stays in it.
Girl?
Yeah, who could that be?
Just a relative of mine, yes.
A relative?
Yes.
And you never told us? Seems you're hiding something from us.
Yeah, like you.
No, why will I do a thing like that?
It's okay. Bye. The food is really nice.
Fun, yeah.
I'm so sorry I kept you guys.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You're fine.
That's good. Oh, he's here. My guy. I am sorry for keeping you guys waiting. Hi. It's okay. Ken, I just want to say Thank you so much.
Come on, what are friends for?
And of course, to you beautiful ladies, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for your positive intuition in all of this. No wonder they say behind every successful man, there is a woman.
A good woman. A good one.
A good one. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lucy. Thank you for stopping me from traveling.
It's nothing.
I would have lost my priceless jewel in Kim.
Hello, Neto.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't call back yesterday. I had to book my ticket.
No, Neto, please. You don't have to go back without settling this issue. I know I might not have the facts, but I believe that Nkem is innocent. Yes.
The guy told her I beat him up. How else would she have heard?
Things are not always what they seem. Give her benefit of the doubt. Yes, I'm a woman. We understand ourselves better. If Nkem is wrong, I will know.
How am I sure you're not just covering up for your friend?
No. This guy you're talking about that she's cheating on you with is my ex. I should be angry also. Okay, if you have a friend that is rich and cute, send him to tempt Nkem. I promise you, she will not fall. I bet you with all I have, she will not. Okay? Not to talk of that stupid and useless low-life Kelvin.
Okay, thoughtful. I will keep you informed, okay? And I trust you not to leak out any information to her.
I will not. I would love to find out too.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for everything. I'll call you later.
Alright, thank you very much, okay? Take care.
Alright, bye.
The one that said, "Oh, you are see that." Neto, my man! Neto, man, see my guy.
Man, what's up, man? What's up, man?
Guy.
What's up, man?
So good to see you, man.
So good, same here, bro. Omo, you look good, though.
Are you serious?
Sure.
See you now, guy. You be like I go join you for this abroad, though.
Are you the door now?
Must just fresh.
You're welcome, man. Anytime, bro. Are you the door now?
You are a man.
Yeah, man. I must say, you look fresh, man. See motor now. See,
oh, man, we just use this.
Nice, man. That's what's up.
That's
That's what's up. Omo, we need to chill, yeah. Yes, we need to chill. We need to sit down. I need to brief you some things, man. Urgently, man.
No problem.
Yeah, we could day here now. Yeah, this place is cool, man. Nice.
Little the hustler.
Eh?
Little the hustler.
Day here now. You understand? My G.
Let's my man.
Omo, that your babe harsh, oh. Guy, that girl harsh.
Really? I've never seen that side of her.
Guy, that girl is ready to insult the hell out of me if I try anything further. That girl love you, die. That girl love you, scatter.
Have you tried giving her the car?
For the car, not yet. But I'll do that.
Okay, please do get back to me, okay?
Very soon you hear from me.
Thank you so much.
No wahala. No wahala. My man. Now, mother, your girl no gree.
She refused the car tour?
That girl no gree. Her head too strong, I tell you.
Interesting. Let us try with a duplex to see if she will resist that too.
The way I see that girl, almost she go resist her. That girl, very stubborn, but no wahala sha. More reason I'm say as she go be.
Okay, just do all you can, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you.
What are friends for now? Not be you be NATO again. Man, anytime, call on me. I got your back, eh?
Sure, bro.
Alright.
Let's go. Yo! What's up, bro? So guys, ladies, this is my friend Ken that I told you about. We have been friends from way back.
I'm Lucy. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
I am Gift. Nice meeting you.
So like I already told you guys about the phone, he's helping me with the issues with Nkem.
Wow.
Yes, and he already found out that Chika is still living with Nkem.
What? How can she?
The same thing I asked. Chika knows about Kevin and Kim's photo. So obviously she sent it. She still hates her with passion. She said a lot of lies, which I will send you the voice note later.
Now, wow. How can Kim trust Chika again? Once beaten, twice shy.
Honestly, I am shocked. Kim is so naive and innocent.
I believe Chika must have begged her and manipulated her with fake tears.
Seriously, after everything.
But how can she be so gullible? How can she be beaten twice by the same person? I'm so disappointed. Look, please, I need you guys to go there for me. Please, go to her house. I know she's gonna tell Chika to leave. I definitely know that. But I also know that if she's leaving, she's gonna go to Kevin's house. I'll follow her. I just want to be sure.
It's okay. No problems.
What are we drinking, man?
Now that you know Nkem loves only you, do not delay to go after her, okay? So hurry.
Oh, she's right. You have to go get your woman, okay? Before it's late.
I know. I will, but I will need you guys to come with me. You know, I don't know what that Chika girl is up to. And also, I need to find out if Kevin raped her. That guy drugged her. And if I find anything fishy, I will lock him up.
Honestly, they need to be locked up.
Oh, yeah?
Because what they did is against the law.
You're right.
Yes.
Drugging someone and taking their nude picture, it's a crime on its own. Defamation of character. Not to talk of that monster that might have raped her.
You're right. You're right.
Hi.
Hello.
I must say that Nkem is lucky to have you as friend.
Well, I'm lucky to have her as a friend too. She's a nice person.
Yeah. You see, Neto would have come back to the States if not for you. But you were able to convince him to stay. If it were other girls, they would have just tried snatching him from her. But
You fought for her.
But that's the right thing to do.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
Can I ask you something?
What?
Okay, can you go on a date with me?
It's okay, but we need to reconnect Neto and Nkem together. That is our main project right now.
You're right. So after the reconnection, at least we could have a little time together, try to know each other. Alright? That's yes, I know.
It's okay.
I like your outfit.
Thank you.
You're looking nice.
Thank you.
So let's go back
Can
inside.
we go
Though.
inside?
You see,
Who's it?
Hi there, how are you doing?
Are you not happy?
Yes.
Go inside.
Come on, stop it. Oh.
Your eyes are red. Wait, have you been crying?
It's just...
Stop doing this to yourself.
Yes. It's just one of those moments of missing Neto.
Oh, come on. Stop crying. Okay? It's okay, you'll be fine.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Oh, get Neto. Yes, it is. It's Neto. Neto. Yes. It's Neto. It's Neto. Yes. Neto.
She has changed.
You thought wrong, baby. People don't just change like that.
So I have learned the hard way again.
We have to go to the hospital for some checkup. We have to check if he raped you. Even if he did not, I still have to lock them up.
I don't think he did. I'm a virgin and if he did, there would have been blood stain, or I probably would have felt some sort of pain or pressure down there when I woke up. So I don't think so.
So I read, but we still need to check.
Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Lucy. Thank you, Gift.
You are welcome.
Thank you for believing in me and helping me out.
It's alright.
It's okay, baby.
There.
But normally we're not supposed to say anything, but the mic man is recording this thing. So this is where you have soundtrack, you understand, and everything. You understand? You can just to give me.
Give what?
Officer.
What's that?
Hey, officer. The both of them.
Both of us have. Mr. Man, you are under arrest. Arrest. For drugging one Mrs. Nkem. What? And raping her. You do not need to say anything or do anything because whatever you do will be used against you in the law court. You are under arrest.
I am moving.
Let's move.
Wait, there's nothing like that though. There's nothing like that.
Move it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Wait, where's the proof? Do you have?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You have?
Move it. Move it.
Oh yeah, enter. Get in. Follow you. Until we get you will explain further until we get to the police station. Get in. Now move.
I am really happy he did not touch me.
I'm happy too, baby. I'm so happy. God will punish them for their atrocities and all the evil deeds they caused you. I'm in this with you, baby, okay?
Sure.
We're in this together.
Welcome, Mama.
Okay.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Hey. Okay, this is big. You mean? This one is Nito's house, not yours.
But Mama, this is the house he got for both of us.
A new house? A new house?
Yes, Mama.
He got for both of you?
Yes.
Hey! This is big. This is good, oh. Huh? But, Kemo.
What?
Kemo, you are not trying at all. You mean you have been enjoying in this kind of big house, mansion like this? And you didn't invite me?
Oh, Mama, please. Oh, well, let's just go in. Let us go. I'm sorry.
Hey.
Okay. Not like that. So let's go.
Hey, I didn't know this is it though. Hey!
Don't worry. There are lots of things for you to see.
You promised me a date, beautiful woman.
Okay. I think we can go now. Now that Nato and Nkem, they are planning their wedding.
Okay. I am glad I'm going to be their best man. And you, my love interest, the chief bridesmaid.
Love interest? Ha! Are you proposing love to me?
Okay, let's see how it goes tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow with her. I'll come pick you up. So, what's your time?
Let's say in the evening.
Evening. Okay by me. See you tomorrow then.
Okay, see you then.
Have a lovely day ahead.
Bye.
What am I seeing? You look so beautiful, my friend. Look at you. Please, I love this dress.
Oh my god, thank you. You sure I'm looking good?
Yes. Oh, my good friend. You deserve a good man. You deserve this.
Thank you.
I am so happy for you. Believe me, I am.
You're counting on a good man too. And I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. I have learned that in life, it pays to be good. And what is gotten through good means lasts effortlessly. Imagine if you had tried to take over in Kem's place in Nato's life. By now, God would still raise another person to vindicate her. And you will lose on both ends. But today, you are going on a date with an amazing, humble billionaire. Come here once again.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you, my friend.
Oh, he's here. He's here.
Hi. You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Wow.
Wow. You are looking absolutely beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm here.
I know. Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay. Like this.
See you.
I'll see you soon.
Take good care of my friend.
Bye.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Good girl. She's so nice. Carrots.
You know, I love you so much. I love you from the depth of my heart.
I love you too.
I have never thought of spending the rest of my life without you. You mean so much to me and you know it.
Thank you. I love you. I love you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Very sure. Come on. I have you
What's that?
I would like you to close your eyes.
Okay. Eyes closed.
Close it. Are they closed? Are they closed?
Okay, they are closed now. Should I open it?
No, don't open it. Don't open it.
I open now.
Don't open it.
Okay, I'll not open. My eyes are closed. Can I open?
Open it. Will you marry me? I am serious.
Oh my God. Yes. I'm here. Oh my God, thank you. So beautiful. I do. So fine.
Come on here.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
We have to make it toast.
Oh, Jesus, I'm so happy. Oh, God. I'm so excited. I don't even know. Okay. Take this. Oh, damn. Oh my God, I can't wait to show my friend this. Oh my God, give it again. Thank you, darling. Come here.
Hi everyone.
Which one is that?
Hey, he's back.
I'm back.
You're welcome.
What's up, Mama? Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, my son.
So, I have good news.
What could it be?
What is it? This is yours. Hey! Take this, and then Mama, this is yours.
American visa. Hey! God, oh, American visa. Hey! Oji! Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Chelukeno. Unu manu wori ha. Go for the ona agbaju. Ona agbaju. At times he confuses me. Yes. What he say?
Let me explain.
Good.
In exactly a month from now, after our wedding, and after Ken and Lucy's wedding, we will all be relocating to the States permanently.
States?
Yes. And we'll come to Nigeria only on holidays. The embassy favored you guys.
Oh God, I'm so happy I'm leaving this Nigeria.
Wait. I know this kind of thing.
Mama, we are going to America, Mama. We are going to America.
Wait. As in, you said
Mama,
we
are all going to America.
Yes. I will be going to America.
Yes, Mama.
I will be entering America.
Yes.
With all of you.
Yes.
Hey! No, God. You mean we enter America?
Mama, you
enter America.
Yes, now. Yes, now. Let's go.
This calls for celebration. Yes. This calls for popping of champagne.
Get the wine.
Go and get all the wines. Everything that we have in this house. Let us celebrate. Hey! America.
OG. Get more glasses. Get more glasses. Mama, I like this pencil.
Hey, Pupe. Hey, Pupe, the cake and them go.